Welcome back once again. In our previous part, we ended up working with our line tools. Alright, so we have covered almost all of the major tools, and in this part I'm gonna start working on this pen tool. So working with pen tool is a bit tricky, so let me show you how can you work with pen tool. And first I'm gonna take a frame, click on this frame icon and select the frame, and I'm gonna increase the size, like increase the height. Okay, and then so if you want to scroll, so if in case you cannot scroll it from left to right, once you will have multiple screens, you can simply hold your left mouse and then drag it to right, and then you will be able to do it. So this is the way to do it. They don't have any bottom bar or any other options here. I don't know why they don't have it. They could add these options to scroll horizontally or vertically, but sometimes it shows and sometimes it doesn't show. So I'm gonna increase the height to 50%. all right, now let me select the pen tool. So click on this pen tool, or you can remember the shortcut key is P. So click here, and once you will select this pen tool, your icon will be this one. See, you can select, then you can drag, then you can select, you can drag, you can select, you can drag, and you can finish. Okay, so what I did here, let me show you one more time. So I just click here, and so first you need to press on your left mouse, click on your left mouse. Once you will click on your left mouse, and it should be a single click, not a double click, then you will be able to see this dot. And then once you will move your mouse towards any direction, it will show you a line. And let's say I want to stop here, so you can click one more time here, again the left mouse, then a line will be drawn for you. Then if you want to have more lines, then again draw it, then again click here, then again draw it, again click here, then again draw, then again. And remember that if you want to add a background color, you will have to so what can I say, you will have to finish it, and you will have to make a circle. I can say that if you start here and you need to finish it at the end point. Okay, so this was our start point and this is our end point, we can say, and then I'm gonna connect it. So you need to connect the whole line. Okay, then you can change the background of this entire size. And now let me change the background color for you. So this item here, and now we can change the background color. So click on this fill option, and then you can see we can change the background color. Okay, then the same way we can select this one, and we can also change the background color for these options. See, we can change the background color. So this is the way to work with pen tool. Okay, so using this pen tool, you can easily design different sort of activities. So let me design one more items just for you guys, and then so this is the normal way to hold this one. Okay, so if you want to have a different sort of thing, so let's say in this point you want to add, so just hold your left mouse, then drag it, and then click here, and then you can drag it. So remember that once you will click on it, and then don't left the mouse of your don't left your left mouse, and then you can drag it. So literally you just need to hold your item, then you can draw this way. Okay, then again click on here, then once you will click here, you can add this design here, and then again you need to hold here, click on it, then again let's say I'm gonna select it here, then I can draw this icon here this way. We can say this way. All right, and then we can connect it to this one. Okay, now if I want to change the background color, then the process is same. You just need to add the color through this fill option. Okay, so this way you can make a different sort of design using this pen tool. One is normally you can draw it as much as you need, then connect it and change the background color. Okay, this is the option. And if you want to have different design issue, like if you want to have like a draw and the radius option, then just hold the icon of this dot and then you can connect it this way, then again hold it, then again you can draw it. And this is the basic part of this option, but you just need to have this design here. Alright, and then I'm gonna use the select tool, and in here we can do this thing, and you can change the color, and you can use all sort of design issues. Like if you want to have the border, then you can also add the border radius, and then you can add the dash or change the color. If you want, you can change the color of the border, and then if you want, you can change the dash size, and this way you can make a different sort of designs. So this is the basic of working with pen tools. I hope you guys have learned how to work with pen tool. Now I'm gonna stop this video right here, and we will continue it from the next lecture. See you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye.